Welcome to our project, NeonDroids Cyberpunk Live AI Agents in AWS Integrated, wholly developed with Amazon Q. This project is hosted in EC2 G6, which uses NVIDIA L4, costing us only $1,907 per month. Amazon Q recommended us the best EC2 servers for hosting a Unity WebGL video game simulation, and Amazon Q helped us install and set it up, etc. Here's the WebGL live demo for NeonDroids Cyberpunk Street Live AI Agents. This NeonDroids are not just random NPC, non-playable character, but are real alive beings living in a simulation, having their own personality, emotions, and minds in AWS Bedrock. We use the plugins like AWS SDK, Bedrock Agent Runtime, and AWS SDK, Core, etc. Some droids even have the capabilities to play live Cyberpunk music and play live Cyberpunk radio. You can even live chat to the droid that keeps following you in Discord with our provided link below. This WebGL video game is so heavy and powerful I need to host it on powerful servers like EC2 G6.2's large, costing me only $1,907 per month. The textures are programmed in an atomic level that we got to use the law of quantum mechanics or solid-state physics, which of course Amazon Q helped us with, etc. Navigating to this WebGL with a VR/XR or a controller is recommended, since mouse and keyboard can be buggy too sometimes. We choose the green theme/background for our project, since science-backed up evidential research proved that green hue relaxes the mind and eyes. Here's our demo for the live chat with the AI agents TDS, or even a video chat. As you can see, it got a lot capabilities in development, etc., and Amazon Q helped us integrate it with Discord. Here is a screenshot of Amazon Q in Visual Studio Code generating code for us, etc. Here is a screenshot of Amazon Q, full project code scan/review. As you can see, it found a lot of errors. Now finally, here is our live demo and how we developed and integrated Amazon Q with our project's NeonDroids. Amazon Q has the capabilities to instantly generate comprehensive codes on demand based on your work, as you can see in our demo. It can open code reference log, try inline suggestion examples, full project scan, open chat panel, send feedback, and connect/help settings, etc. It has so much capabilities than Copilot or Tab 9 can ever offer. Within our final demo, we show you the live chat and code generation capabilities of Amazon Q within the Visual Studio Code, our workspace to develop NeonDroids. Here in our demo on how fast the code generation compared to other platforms like GitHub, Kite, and Tab 9, etc. Without Amazon Q, we won't be able to agile develop our project within a month. In our final demo, asking Amazon Q to give us a very comprehensive code on how we can integrate a live stream audio from the R code. Amazon Q is so amazing, better than any other coding assistants, that it has so much powerful capabilities and streamlining my development without opening any search engine browser for me to chat or generate a code from the AI. Amazon Q helped me write code more efficiently, reduce errors, and improve my overall coding experience. Thank you for your attention. We hope you learned something new from our project.